Create and send a quotation part 2. We've just in another training video gone through how to create a quotation using the form, but we can equally create a quotation within the control sheet and using the drop-down menu. It might be the case that we want to create a quotation but not send it directly to the customer. In doing so, we'll choose the menu here, the drop-down, and create quotation only. Again, we'll be presented with the form and we will fill it out, the demo company, and add the name will come up automatically. The reference we will do demo 2, same date as today, and then we'll add whatever pricing codes that we require and change the quantities to suit. So we'll do this one for 4, and we'll decide not to add a data sheet and not to add a note. So therefore then we will create the quotation, but this time it will not be sent directly to the customer. Instead, it will go directly into the quotation database for us then to review and send it when we require. So now that that's done, let's look at it here. And here the quotation sits within the quotation database. It's quotation 12. The quotation itself will be sitting and used, derived and created from the template. And then we can review that, and as soon as we review it, we can decide to send it. And to do so, we just simply come up here and go quotation, send quotation. And with this drop down, this quotation will be sent directly to the client. So let's now just go and view that in the email. Here we see the quotation has been received once again, and we don't have any data sheet with it, and it's just with that one number, 4 items with no note. And again, the customer is given the option to accept or reject. In this case, let's reject it, and the customer will receive the standard default response for taking the time to actually give us some feedback. And again, back in our own sheet, it is now no longer in green, it is in grey because it has been rejected. And this information is also captured on the control sheet dashboard, so you can see what's been rejected, what's pending, and so on and so forth. So that's it. This is how we send, review, or create, review, and send quotations, and how the information, whether it's accepted or rejected, is then captured on the database, giving us a complete understanding of our quotation status.